is up, Cubers? It's Code Cuber here, and yes, it's been a long time since I've uploaded on this channel. That's because I've been mainly focusing on my Instagram account, so the link will be in the description if you want to see it. I also uploaded a couple of more photos and reels. So yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so today's video is gonna be about how I make crosses. So they might not be that efficient because I don't know the meaning of that. Okay, I do, but yeah, it not may be that efficient for everybody, but they definitely help me in my solves. And one of my 4.35 single solves, I had used those methods for making the cross. It was a really lucky scramble, and they were, it was lucky for me, maybe not for others, but yeah, I got a 4.35 on it, and I put the time on my Instagram account, and also the scramble is there, so if you want to do it, you can do it. Okay, so now let's get into the video. So, for example, let us take a case here. So, this is just a random scramble that I did about an hour ago. And so here, let us observe it first. So I can see one pair over here. That's already paired up. And got this orange piece, and it has to go there. Meanwhile, there's also a green piece which is oriented correctly. So I can see two pieces here. Then one is on the back, the red one. So what I'm gonna do is first, okay, let me try to put in the green one first. So the green's on the back, and now this red one has to go here. So if I'm gonna do a B2, then the red one will come here on this red side and into there. So we also got one corner in and three of the cross pieces. Now we have one more which we can take out using the beginner algorithm. We can turn it back to where the orange is and do a B2. And that's the cross. So let me scramble this again. And yep. So now we have three of the pieces on the orange side and one piece which is already here. So this is red one. So red has to go there. And there's a blue piece here. But the blue has to go there. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just put the red one in there. Get the orange one in. And then I will do this and get the green one in like this. I'll get it above. Then when I'm gonna insert this piece will also align, and that will get in. Now the last piece is over. Oh, it's here. Yep. So now if I am gonna do use the right algorithm, it will come out like that. So I can use it 2 times, but I can also use another algorithm, which is the right algorithm. I mean left one. So you can use the left like that. Well, but it depends on your choice. And then here goes a blue one. That's a cross. Now let's get a third case and see this. Okay, so turns out in this case we have 2 cross pieces that align perfectly with each other. Then we have one blue piece which is oriented correctly and an orange piece which is oriented correctly. So I would consider this as a lucky cross, a lucky scramble. So first I'll insert these to the right positions. I'll do this. The orange, I'll just B2 that, and the full cross is made. So let us get one more case. With a little more scrambling. Oh my god, my cube can't handle my speed now. Okay, so now this is actually a pretty different case. So we have two pairs here. The reason I'm considering this as a pair is because if you just flip this, it will align perfectly. But then when there's an actual free pair here. So what I'm gonna do, I usually first insert the pair. So first I'm gonna insert the pair like that. Now the blue piece is separated from this edge, so I'm gonna get that in like between. So it's the same case, so I'll just flip that. That's a free pair. Then I'm gonna get that in. So we got two pairs. Now I'm gonna do the cross. So blue piece, if I do this, that will destroy that. So I'm gonna put that in back and do that. Then same for the green, like that. Then we have an orange piece here, so you're gonna get that in. And then this red piece, which we're gonna do like that. And that way we can get a double X cross. So yeah, that was a pretty beginner tip, I could say, on efficient ways to make a cross. So like this one was a lucky cross because it had two pairs already made for me, so I could make a double X cross easily. But now let me make one cross quickly. So let me observe the scramble. Okay, I see what's happening here. So and the cross is made. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. So let's wrap this up, and happy cubing. Peace.